I get this question all the time from my students in my classes. What's the difference between can and could? Hello everyone, this is Randil. Welcome again. In today's video, we are going to look at three main differences between can and could. Can and could are modal verbs. They are very important in daily English conversations and writing. This is a very simple lesson. However, if you stay tuned until the end of this presentation, I am quite sure that you will be able to grasp a better understanding about the differences between can and could. As always, there is a quiz at the end of this lesson to see whether you can use can and could accurately. If you are new to this channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel first and alarm the notification bell. Then you will be notified with our latest grammar lesson. Then join me in this lesson. If you are ready, let's get started. I am here with Sanjana. She is one of my students. She is going to help me in this lesson today. Sanjana, welcome to the session.
Thank you very much, sir.
There are three differences between can and could. Let's look at the first one. We use can to talk about present abilities of someone. I'll give you one example. Now I have the ability to speak three different languages fluently. To give the same idea to someone else, I can use can. Therefore, I can speak three different languages fluently. Now I think Sanjana is going to give us some more examples of can which can be used to talk about present abilities of someone.
She can take her dog for a walk. We can sing English songs.
Could. Could is the past tense form of can. Could can be used to talk about past abilities of someone. Take this example. When I was at school, I used to play football. I was really good at playing football, but this ability I don't have any longer. To relay the same idea to someone else, I can use could. I could play football really well when I was at school. Now Sanjana will give you a couple of more examples for could, which can be used to talk about past abilities of someone.
They could dance very well. He could play tennis when he was younger.
Thank you very much. I think I have given you enough examples for abilities. You have a clear idea about abilities and how you can use can and could separately. Now it's time to look at the second difference. Can and could both can be used to talk about possible situations in the present, past and future. Let's look at the first one. I'll give you one example. This is a possible situation in the present. Imagine I am waiting for the train at the railway station. The train arrives at 10 a.m. but I cannot see the train. It is possible that the train might be late. To relay this idea, I can use could because it is a possible situation in the present. The train could be late. I think Sanjana is going to give you more examples for possibilities in the present.
He is strong. He could help her move the table. She is smart. She could help him with his studies.
Possible situation in the future. I'll give you one example. There is an exam. My brother is going to sit for this exam. He doesn't work hard. Since he doesn't work hard, it is possible that he might fail the exam. To relay all this idea to someone else, we can use could. If my brother doesn't work hard for the exam, he could fail the exam. It is a possible situation in the future. Here are some examples for possible situations in the future.
We could go to Paris if you are free next week.
Let's look at the third situation. Possible situations in the past. We can use could. I'll give you one example. There was a job interview, but my sister didn't go to the job interview. If she had gone to the job interview, she could have gotten the job. It was possible that she could have gotten the job if she had gone to the job interview. Now Sanjana is going to give you some more examples for this situation. Possible situations in the past.
Mary could have stopped the fight, but she didn't. My mother could have cooked, but you didn't tell her.
Now it's time to look at can. Can be used to talk about possible situations, but they are general. That means we are going to talk about general situations. So can be used to talk about them. Here's an example. People can stay healthier if they drink more water. It's a general possibility. Here are some more examples from Sanjana.
Exercise can help reduce stress. Finding a hotel in August can be difficult.
That's all about all possible situations in the present, past and future, and also general possibilities. Now let's move on to learn about the last difference, the difference between can and could. When we talk about polite expressions, we use can and could both. There are 4 categories when it comes to polite expressions: making suggestions, making offers, making requests, and asking someone for permission. Let's look at the first category, making suggestions. I'll give you a couple of examples. We could try that new Sri Lankan restaurant across the street. It is a suggestion. Son, you could complete your homework before going to bed. Sanjana, it is your turn. Give us some more examples for this situation.
You could ask your sister to lend you some money. You could help your sister with her project.
Now let's look at making offers. We can use both can and could. I'll give you a couple of examples. Can I offer you something to drink? Or could I offer you something to drink? Can and could both can be used with a little difference. We usually can in informal situations. For an example, when you talk to your friends, maybe when you talk to your family members, your neighbors. But could in formal situations. For an example, when you talk to the principal, when you talk to your superiors, or when you talk to your boss. Sanjana is going to give you more examples for making offers.
Could I help you with your luggage, please? Can I give you something to drink?
Notice that with could, extra politeness. Now let's look at making requests. When making requests, we can use both can and could. Let's look at a couple of examples. Can you pass me the salt? Could you pass me the salt, please? With could, you can identify extra politeness. Now let's look at more examples. Sanjana, please.
Could I speak to Richard, please? Can I speak to one of your friends?
Here, we use could in formal situations, can in informal situations. Now let's look at the last category, asking someone for permission. Here also same, you can use both can and could. Let's look at more examples. Can I take the day off tomorrow? Could I take the day off tomorrow, please? Here, notice that extra politeness with could. When you talk to your boss, maybe if the boss is very kind, you can use can. If the boss is very strict, you can use could. Now let's look at more examples for this situation.
Could I borrow your pen, please? Can I go to the washroom?
Okay, that's all about can and could. We already talked about 3 differences. Now it's time for the quiz. There are 10 questions on the screen. In each sentence, I want you to fill in the gap with can or could. Now pause the video, think about your answers. Then replay the video and check your answers with mine. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comment section below. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had a clear idea about the differences between can and could. If you find this video important and useful, please subscribe to our channel and alarm the notification bell. Then you will be notified with our latest grammar lessons. And also give us a big thumbs up. I hope to see you again with another video. Bye for now.
Bye, friends.